is one you are not going to see every day. There's no doubt about that. I don't believe I've ever done a video on one of these here at Unique Specialty and Classics. What is it? It's a 1965 AMC Rambler Marlin two-door fastback. If you're looking for a car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, this one's a lot of bang for the buck. And best of all, it's not like you're going to be running into these every day. You're probably going to be the only one there, or maybe one of a couple, if that. You just do not see these cars. And they have a cool look. Everybody at Unique, especially in Classics here, is kind of falling in love with this car, whether it's the detail department, sales department, what have you. Stick around to the very end of this video. We're going to take this thing for a drive so you can see how it drives out too. It goes down the road very nice. All right, take a look at the chrome up front, headlight surrounds, grille. Of course, the Rambler lettering on the hood, and then this Marlin logo that they've used on the hood ornament. We're going to get into some more of those as we go around this car. That's another cool thing about this car. Still pictures. Take your time looking through the still pictures. Underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. All the still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you right to our website where the still pics are. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Get a good look at the American Motors wheel, white wall radial. And here's another one of those Marlin insignias, in this case an emblem on the side with the Marlin lettering. Bright work on this car, you can see up and down the passenger side. Looks nice and straight, nice shape. Paint shows well. Is it perfect? No. You may see some little specks here or there in the paint, a little bit of orange peel, but overall, it shows well. It's just not absolutely perfect, put it that way. It's one of those cars, get in, drive it, have some fun. It's going to turn some heads. It's like I said, there's going to be people out there at the roll-ins, the cruise-ins, the shows that have not seen a car like this in person before. And that's half the fun. Best of all, this has the V8 underneath the hood, shown off by that emblem right there. 287 V8, automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, so nicely equipped. Look at this, bucket seats, center console. Very stock looking dash. We'll get around to the driver's side. I want to show you that in a bit. Paint code 3A-1A, Antigua red and classic black. And here's where you can see the classic black up on the roof. Of course, the red throughout the rest of the car. And here's where your fastback plays in. Oh, I found another one of these Marlin. So many cool things about this car. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Love how they highlighted the black behind the rear window of the hardtop. Of course, both those windows go down, opening up both sides wide open. Take a look at the rear of the car, chrome on the bumper. Again, is it perfect? No, but does it show well? Absolutely. This one's just got a little character is all. Should say a lot of character. Once again, take your time looking through those still pictures. uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're into, say, just different cars you don't see every day, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When the videos are uploaded, these vehicles are available to purchase right off our website, or of course, showroom floor if you make it to see us in person. And as you can see, driver's side of this car also shows well. There's just some spots, which shows a little bit of its age here or there, but again, to me that adds a character to the car. And what a value to get into the classic car hobby for the price of this car. Door panels, nice shape. Carpeting also nice shape. Take a look at the seats. Appears they may have been reupholstered. They're in very nice shape. Seat belts intact. No rips, tears, holes in the vinyl or the cloth. Another Marlin, excuse me, Rambler logo right there. And as you can see, power steering. If you look down the brake pedal, power brakes also. So again, nicely equipped. I've had the wipers working, I've had the blower fan working. I got the radio to work, albeit it was only on one station. Works somewhat, looks like the stock radio. Let's fire up this 287. I had the key on from when I was playing with the radio a little bit ago, just so you know. Fuel gauge is up. That was a cold start, so I expect temperature gauge to be up. I don't know if you'll be able to hear the radio or not, but like I said, it did power up and came in one spot. There you can, it's powered up.
Available now at Amazon.com or newnordicusa.com.
So like I said, I did have the radio work, albeit one station's what I got. Hey, how about this? Another logo of that Marlin. Of course, that would be the model. Top of the dash looks good. Alright, as far as headliner, looking good. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Nothing crazy over the top of the exhaust, anything like that. In the still pictures, you're also going to see that there's some manuals that will come with this car. There'll be over 100 pictures in the still pictures. So again, take your time looking at them. And if you stick around to the very end of this video, we are going to take this car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Drives out nice. It's actually coming out of a long-term ownership. Gentleman that had it for some time and drove it regularly. So tell you what, let me pause this. I want to get this hood open so we can check out that engine bay. And then, like I said, stick around at the very end of the video. Alright, so there's a look at the underside of the hood and engine bay. There's that 287. Now, you do notice that slight tick. We brought that up with the previous owner. And he has driven this car, says it has sounded like that since the day he has had it, and he has put miles on it. So we're just passing that along. He said represent it as it is and price it accordingly. Again, this thing's a lot of bang for the buck. So like I said, if you're looking at getting into that classic car hobby, this one's not going to break the bank. You'll be able to see the VIN tag and then also the data tags in with the still pictures that are on this car. Undersides, interior, engine bay, trunk, all kinds of pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can see all those still pics. You can call us 507-386-1726. Of course, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1965 AMC Marlin Rambler. This is definitely a car you're not going to see at most car shows. It's a little less common. And a very good condition car. Nice paint, nice interior. Runs nice. Our turn signal indicators are working. Our gauges are working. This is an automatic on the center console. Temperature gauge showing a quarter of the way up from cold. Fuel gauge right in the middle at half. Speedometer appears accurate at 55 miles an hour. Nice smooth ride out of this car. Factory horn is loud and working well. Bucket seats with cloth inserts. Storage in the center console. Fold down armrest. It's a well featured car. The blower motor works. The windshield wipers work. Brakes are working well. And we've got some traffic. Fairly quiet in the exhaust. Corners as it should for a 65 AMC. Steering isn't loose, it's nice and tight. Gotta say, it's the first time I've driven one and it drives nice. Take a look at all the pictures of this 65 AMC Marlin at uniqueclassiccars.com.